Yeah. So you can see that the buccinator, okay, once again. Yeah, this is the buccinator. So it takes upper fibers, middle fibers. Just another 5 minutes. Please keep quiet. Okay. Now the buccinator, how it takes origin? It takes origin from the muscle fiber. Sorry, it takes origin from the bony structures. Okay. Now we will discuss about bony structures little bit. Right now I will not discuss everything because you need to know the bones in detail. Okay. So these are, again, it is required to understand what are the molar eminences. Okay. And you'll have to study about the maxillary tuberosity, which is on the back side. So right now what we will see is what is the origin insertion of the muscles. Just read it. Okay, give one reading. Right now no need to study in depth, okay, of attachment of buccinator. Right now just superficially study. Okay, what is it, from where it is coming, where it is going, right now just superficially. Okay. So see, the superficial fibers are again superficial and intermediate fibers here also. They are coming from the surrounding muscles. They also meet at the buccinator. They also cross and join the orbicularis oris. Okay, that is a point which right now you have to remember. Next is the deeper fibers takes origin from the bony origin. Okay, maxillary tuberosity. Behind the maxilla in the bone, we have, so this is the maxilla. Behind the maxilla, okay, here backside, about the third molar tooth, we have an elevation that is called as maxillary tuberosity. Okay, I don't know whether you are able to see it or not. So this is the maxilla. This is the third molar tooth. Okay, behind that there is an elevation here that is called as maxillary tuberosity. Okay, maxillary tuberosity. And behind that, I am just telling you right now, just listen. Later on, you will study all this in detail. Okay. Here you will see that there is a elevation called as pterygoid hamulus. Okay. Pterygoid hamulus. From pterygoid hamulus, we have pterygomandibular raphe. Pterygomandibular raphe. That is a ligament coming from here. So this muscle takes origin from maxillary tuberosity, pterygoid hamulus, and pterygomandibular raphe. Okay, so this raphe is like this. It is coming down to the from maxilla to the mandible. Okay, here, right? So this is the pterygomandibular raphe. So in front we get these fibers, right? So right now just try to understand how the fibers are, from where it is taking origin. Later on you will understand that. Okay, so this muscle takes origin from the maxillary tuberosity, pterygoid hamulus, and pterygomandibular raphe. And these fibers come forwards and join with the muscles of the orbicularis oris. Okay, so this is about buccinator. What are the actions of these muscles? Actions of the orbicularis oris is closing of the mouth. Okay, whereas action of the buccinator is blowing the air like this. Okay, with closing mouth, blowing. Okay, whistling. When you whistle, okay, so you use this muscle. See the action. Okay, this is the action of orbicularis oris. Okay, when you are using more, buccinator is also involved. Okay, so how I cannot see buccinator until and unless I remove this buccal pad of fat. This is the buccal pad of fat. Okay, where this cheek fat that is present here. Okay, within that fat you can see zygomaticus major and zygomaticus minor. Taking origin from, see, you can see that zygomatic bone and getting inserted into the skin around the oral cavity. That is the action of zygomaticus major and minor. Okay, smiling, laughing muscles. Here zygomaticus minor, levator anguli oris, levator labii superioris. They are taking origin from this lower to the orbit. This is the action of levator anguli oris and labii superioris. Okay. See, levator labial superioris, equinasal, nasolabial fold. See, this is the nasolabial fold. Okay, present along. See here, you can see nasolabial fold. Okay, I hope it is clear, all of you, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rest of the muscles, very quickly we'll finish this. Depressor angularis, depressor labia inferioris, and mentalis. Okay, what are the actions? You see the actions. Mentalis, okay, takes origin from the lower jaw. This is the action of depressor angularis mentalis. Okay, in the neck, these are the neck muscles. We don't need that. These are all deep muscles. Okay, deep muscles means the muscles which are below the deep fascia. Remember that. Now when we cover the deep fascia back, superficial fascia back, then we can see this platysma. See the muscle, how extensively it is present. Thin layer, but they are present extensively fibers in the superficial fascia. These fibers are entering just beneath the skin and superficial fascia, and some of the fibers are going into the jaw and getting attached here. Okay, rhizorius. So communication of platysma muscle. Okay, continuation. That is the action of platysma. Okay, see here, you can see the folds coming. Okay, clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will see rest of the muscles. Okay, frontal bellies later on. Okay, in the next class, and what are its actions, nerve supply in detail. Okay, right? So till then we will stop our session here and then continue in the next session. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, any questions?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the insertion of the buccinator will be the upper and lower lip, huh?
Yes, reinforces with the fibers of orbicularis oris and gets attached to the skin of upper lip and lower lip. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
any more questions? Okay, good. So people who are going for sci-fi, everyone, I think very few people have sent me